That looks so good. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Brown Sugar, and I think this might be a new favorite. I've tried a few of these. $32.50 for a lip balm is a bit on the pricier side. However, the Pink Sugar, I've been loving that, and I definitely think that it's worth your money. The packaging is dark brown. It does have pinky brown to it though. Once again, the applicator is that same applicator. Let's try it on. Ooh, it gives that brown tint to it, but some of the lip balm is also getting on the sides of it. I think I just applied too much. These lip balms are by far the best lip balms I've ever tried. It is so hydrating. Definitely consider getting this if you are looking for a lip balm.